Imagine describing your event in one sentence and instantly getting a full registration page, invites, guest management, and email campaigns. That's exactly what Envelope promises. Envelope positions itself as an AI agent for event planning. Instead of toggling between spreadsheets, email tools, and page builders, Envelope wants to unify all event operations from guest lists to branded emails under one AI-powered workspace. You describe your event in plain language, the system drafts registration pages, forms, emails, and then you refine the details in a visual builder. But before diving into the core features, let's see what real users are saying about it. It's still early for Trustpilot or Product Hunt reviews, but the feedback on Envelope's official site shows strong satisfaction from early users. Event professionals describe it as a reliable, intuitive, and time-saving platform, helping them manage guest lists, RSVPs, and communication effortlessly. Many highlight its clean interface, thoughtful design, and flexibility, making it ideal for handling events of all sizes. Overall, early users agree that Envelope simplifies complex event management tasks and helps planners stay organized with ease. So now let's discuss the core features one by one. So Envelope makes event setup effortless with its Create Event panel, a clean, structured space where you can bring your entire event to life in just a few clicks. You start by entering the event title along with the date and time for when it begins and ends. The system automatically detects your time zones, but you can edit if you're planning for a global audience. Next, you can add the venue details, including the address, city, postcode, and country, all in one organized view. And for virtual gatherings, there's a quick toggle to mark the event as online only. Finally, you can specify the language used for your event, making it clear and accessible to international participants. Once you're done, hit create and your event is instantly ready to be customized, shared, and managed without the clutter or confusion traditional planning tools bring. So that was the creating an event feature. Now let's talk about the next most important feature, that is the AI Event Assistant. So Envelope goes beyond simple event setup. It actually helps you plan with the AI Event Assistant. You can literally ask Envelope to do anything, whether it's drafting an invitation, creating a guest list, logistics themes, or automatic reminders. You can simply type your request into the chat box and let the AI handle the rest. It's like having a personal event coordinator built right into your dashboard. Need to find vendors, design a schedule, or check venue availability? Just ask. Envelope's assistant understands context and gives tailored professional responses instantly. No endless clicking or researching required. This turns event planning from a long manual process into a smart conversational experience, one message at a time. So that was basically the feature of AI Event Assistant with which you can plan, ask, and automate. Now let's talk about guest and communication management. So once your event is created, Envelope makes it incredibly simple to manage everything from guests to communication in one place. Under the Guest tab, you can add, track, and organize attendees with precision. It shows who's confirmed, pending, or declined, so you're never left guessing. No more messy spreadsheets, everything updates in real time. Then there is mailing, where you can design and send professional invitations or updates directly from Envelope. You can even use ready-made templates for quick, polished communication that matches your event theme. And the best part is with built-in analytics, you can monitor RSVP responses, engagement, and attendance performance all inside your dashboard. From the first invite to the first thank you note, Envelope ensures your event runs smoothly and professionally every step of the way. So those were some of the core features. Now let's discuss who benefits the most out of this tool. So Envelope is best for event planners, agencies, or individuals managing conferences, receptions, workshops, open days, teams who want to reduce tool switching. They don't want to separate guest lists, software, email tools, and landing page builders. People who value speed. If you want to spin up an event fast, Envelope's AI first design helps. Mid-size events especially benefit too big to do manually, but maybe not large enough to demand enterprise-level custom stacks. But since no tool is perfect, even with powerful features, Envelope has places it can improve. Better export and backup options, more robust third-party integrations, for example, connected with Zoom, Slack, CRMs, event platforms, stronger error handling in edge cases, more flexibility in design, and more AI insight depth. Envelope doesn't prominently advertise an affiliate program yet, but its scalable SaaS model and growth ambitions. It seems possible they'll introduce referral incentives. Envelope is a strong contender in the event software space, not because it has a single killer feature, but because it unifies multiple event workflows under one AI umbrella. Guest lists, registration pages, emails, and analytics come together. If you're planning events regularly and tired of juggling multiple tools and templates, Envelope is worth trying. Its AI-first approach means you can get things off the ground faster, but it's early. If your event has unusual demands or you need deep custom integrations, you'll want to test for edge cases. If you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.